Happy Friday, everybody. Well, my phone is blowing up, as you would expect, when news headlines look like this. Mortgage rates below 6% for the first time in years. It's all over the news. And so a lot of people are calling me. Is it true? Are interest rates below 6%? And my quick answer is yes and no, all at the same time. So, what all this news is based upon is a website, a really good website actually, Mortgage News Daily. And what they do is they put daily surveys out. They measure the national average, 20% down, good credit, and publish it right here at the top of their website. As you can see right now, it is actually 6%, but 2 days ago, it was 5.99. And so that's what's garnered all the hoopla is this 6.0 is at 5.99 a couple days ago. So a lot of you guys know, been watching my videos, I've actually been locking interest rates in the fives for a while now because we consistently beat the market. But one other thing people need to consider is that the average person actually pays points to get their mortgage. So here I am on the Mortgage Bankers Association website, which is another great source of data because it's not a bunch of clickbait like a lot of the stuff online. And it will tell you that the national average, 20% down, good credit on a 30-year fix right now is actually 6.09. Now, keep in mind, the data is a few days old on this one, so there's a tiny discrepancy between the 6.0 and the 6.09. But really, what I want to bring to your attention is it shows you points. And the points are about 0.5%. So a lot of people think, oh, I can get interest rates in the fives right now and not pay points. Well, that's not really the market right now. Now, we have actually locked some loans like that, but it's kind of on some special cases that we're able to do that. But I do want to kind of show you what is next, because that's, of course, everyone's next question is like, well, what does this mean now? Does interest rates, are they going to keep going down? Or are they going to go back up? And what's the crystal ball, right? Well, if you look at the trend over the last year, which is this orange line here, that's your mortgage rates, where basically February of last year, we were up over 7%, gone all the way down to 5.99 here a couple days ago, back up a tiny little bit here to 6% today. And so certainly the overall trend looks down. But I think you'd find just as many economists who would say that interest rates are going to go up as economists who will say interest rates will go down. There really is no knowing. And if you looked back just a little bit to late 2024, you would see interest rates got close to 6%. In late 2024, only to shoot back up to 7.25 within a few months. So there's certainly no guarantee that interest rates will continue to go down. But as for right now, we have better affordability, better interest rates than we've seen in a long time. And as a result, we are definitely seeing more buyer activity than we saw this same time last year. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, give us a call, let us know, and of course, have a happy Friday.